Get ready for a new way to drive a Toyota vehicle with Subscribe and Drive powered by Toyota. Eliminate the hassles of owning or leasing with Subscribe and Drive powered by Toyota. You no longer need to worry about the costs related to insurance coverage, vehicle registration, and service or repairs. Time to enjoy driving without a long-term commitment. Our subscription program is all-inclusive with insurance, registration, and maintenance included in your monthly fee. With Subscribe and Drive powered by Toyota, it's flexible and easy using our mobile app. Simply download and apply. Once approved, select the ideal Toyota to fit your needs from anywhere. Your vehicle will be ready at the scheduled time. Then enjoy driving a reliable vehicle stress-free. To learn more about the program, visit www.toyotasubscribeanddrive.com. Flexible, easy, all-inclusive. Subscribe and Drive powered by Toyota.